Hey guys, Jason Buchanan, Seed for the Nation's Farm in Springfield, Missouri. We got this 30 by 80 high tunnel greenhouse from Bootstrap Farmer. And so as we've been constructing it, we've been coming up with certain ways that might be helpful. So we just thought that maybe one of the things that we kind of figured out was that this right here, this jig is it's a little bit over 5.5 feet. And so what we do with it is that we took it and we took a piece of wood, cut it about 5.5 feet, took a hole saw and didn't do the whole circle, but did a half so there's a saddle, and we measured at 4 foot on center because all of these hoops would be 4 foot on center. We cut out the holes so that we can make our saddle. We used a 2.5 inch hole saw, and then basically just have this jig that is really helpful. So we start at the very first end and we work our way back from there to make sure that everything is all lined up. And then that way you can run it over and put it over each hoop, and then when it sits perfectly in those saddles, then we know that we're lined up. And what I would do, the other thing that we really realized was that we wouldn't just do that for our ridge pole, but every single place that we do fastening, whether it's our hip boards, whether it's our purlins, the ridge pole, every time that we do it, we just go ahead and we check it with our jig first, just to make sure before we tighten everything down. So that'll give us a nice even spacing all across the whole thing. Hope that helps.